Welcome to Auto's Insights, where we break down car problems in simple terms. Today we're talking about car diagnostic codes, what they mean, how they are read, and why they matter. Modern vehicles are equipped with an onboard diagnostic system, also known as OBD or OBDII in cars built after 1996. This system continuously monitors your engine, transmission, emissions, and other key components. When something goes wrong, it triggers a check engine light and stores a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, in the vehicle's computer. These codes are like your car's way of communicating that something isn't working as it should. A common misconception is that the code itself tells you exactly what to replace, but in reality, a code points to a problem area, not a specific failed part. For example, AP0300 code means random or multiple cylinder misfires, but the cause could range from bad spark plugs to a faulty fuel injector or vacuum leak. That's why simply clearing code without diagnosing the underlying issue is a mistake. Diagnostic code are usually read using an OBD2 scanner, a small device that plugs into the diagnostic port under your dashboard. Once connected, it retrieves stored codes from your car's ECU. These codes typically begin with a letter: P for powertrain, B for body, C for chassis, and U for communication. The most common codes start with P0, which are standardized across all makes and models. For example, P0171 means the engine is running too lean, often caused by a vacuum leak or bad mass airflow sensor. Another common code is P0420, which indicates catalyst system efficiency below threshold, often related to a failing catalytic converter or oxygen sensor. Codes that start with P1 are manufacturer-specific and may require detailed research or dealer-level tools to interpret correctly. In many cases, your check engine light may be caused by something minor, like a loose gas cap triggering a P0455 code for an EVAP system leak. However, it's essential not to ignore the warning light because some codes point to serious issues like transmission failure or overheating. Many auto parts stores will scan codes for free, and basic scanners are available online for less than the cost of a single diagnostic visit. Understanding these codes can save you money, improve your vehicle performance, and help you avoid costly repairs. In addition to reading the code, live data from the OBD scanner can show sensor readings like fuel trim, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor voltage, helping you diagnose more precisely. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to be more informed when visiting a mechanic, learning how to interpret car diagnostic codes is a valuable skill. It's also helpful when buying a used vehicle. Always scan for codes before making a purchase to avoid inheriting hidden problems. That wraps up our breakdown of car diagnostic codes. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned to Auto's Insight for more automotive tips and diagnostic guides to keep your car running at its best.